Hello, this is Brian Nelson at nelsonideas.com. Take a look at my website in the upper right hand corner. You'll just click the word more. It says click more, and click that URL. Goes to my website and tells you all types of things about this bridge that collapsed in Minneapolis. And then you can see dozens of articles about this and watch the items that are also on YouTube, and just click on those items about the bridge collapse, and that's all there's to it. So click more in the upper right hand screen of this YouTube, and we'll show you the sites, compendium sites with all kinds of information about this. That's it. nelsonideas.com if you can't find it, and look for bridge construction history. Bye-bye.